Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. So here's a quick demo and review of the Cavalry IPC10010 wireless IP camera. So to set this up, simply screw on the antenna, remove the tip on top, plug in the power, and plug in Ethernet cable. And the highlight is plug in or insert the MicroSD card to the slot back here. And I'll go into why shortly. I'll also demonstrate it. The boot up of this device takes about 30 seconds. And while this device is booting up, just head into the App Store on your smartphone, either Google Play or the App Store, and just type in View Anytime. And just download this app. It's a free app. So I already downloaded the app. It's right here. I'm going to run this app. And it's going to search my Ethernet, my local network, and already found the camera. So I can either add it by manually typing this code. I can just click on here, or the QR code, which is essentially the highlight, one of the highlights of this camera. So I'm going to click on QR code, and on the bottom of this camera, just simply scan it. Scan the QR code, and now let's say enter the password. So default password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros, and hit save. Now it says online. I'm going to click into it. And already I'm viewing this camera. Hello. So while I'm already viewing the camera, let me go back. So right now it's still plugged into Ethernet. I'm just adding the Wi-Fi information. So you can click on the arrow, go to Advanced Settings, go to Wi-Fi, and it's going to scan my local wireless network. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi, put in my password, join, and that's it. Hit back. But what's important is motion detection, and this is why I'm going to set it to medium, and this is why I plug in the MicroSD card. Because also with the recording mode, I'm going to set it to full time so that it's always recording. You can set it to alarm so that it only record when it detects motion, or turn it off. But the highlight of this camera is that with this app, you can administer all the recordings here, right in the palm of your hand. I'm going to plug the power, wait about a couple seconds, plug the power back in. Oh, that's right. Also make sure I unplug Ethernet. So this time when it boots up, it'll be connected wirelessly to my home network. The boot up finished on the camera. I'm going to hit in here. It's connecting. And it's going to say connected, online. Over here it tells me it's online, it tells me the resolution. So resolution right now is pretty low. I can bump that up. Go to Advanced Settings, Video Quality. I'm going to set it to max. Because this is a 720p camera after all. And hit back. Reconnect. Now the resolution is 1280 by 720. If I have multiple people sharing this camera and we're all viewing it, it'll tell me here. Online number of viewers, 1. So that is a very cool feature of the app. The speaker on this unit is actually pretty weak, which is fine because on the back there's also an audio jack on this corner. So if I click on events, I choose the camera I want to navigate into, and now I'm viewing all the events that was recorded onto that MicroSD card. So let's say I want to click on the more recent recording. So that actually recorded me turning on the microphone on this unit. With this camera, while I'm viewing it, I can also zoom in. So I can zoom in, I can browse around what I zoomed, put the camera elsewhere, and I can zoom back out. If I wanted to move the camera, simply just swipe it. So you can see the thing tilting right now, panning. I can look downward, look upward. I can take a snapshot, then come back and view a snapshot I took. I'm going to turn the light off in this room just so we can test out the night vision. It takes about a second for it to click on. Now with the night vision, I'm about just 1.5 feet from the camera, and the infrared LEDs is not blinding. I'm pointing to other parts in the room. It works pretty well. Alright, now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. First, the pro. This View Anytime app makes administering this camera very simple. Because of the QR code on the bottom and the WPS button, if your router supports WPS, you can essentially be up and running in, let's say, like 2 minutes or less. Another pro is that You can adjust the resolution on this. So the highest resolution will be HD, which is 1080 by 720. The infrared night vision, it works very well. The way it records all the events and allows you to search, it makes administering this for security purposes much simpler. Now let's talk about some of the cons. The first con is I haven't quite figured out how to view this on my web browser, whether it's on my Macintosh computer or on my Windows computer. So far I've only been able to view this on my smart devices such as my iPad or my iPhone. The next is sort of a pro and a con. So the pro is that the event recordings, when I browse it on my computer, the files are about 4 megs each. And as for the con is it's a proprietary format, so I haven't been able to view it in the VLC player. So the folks that want to use this camera will be those who want to use it as a security camera, and not so much as like a baby camera or monitoring their child or playroom. Thank you for watching this quick demo and review of the Cavalry IP camera. This unit was provided by Cavalry for review. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.